Look at that view, man. Second destination. Let me tell you, that looks good. You know how you can tell it's good when that... Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. So in this other video of Moto Destinations, we are starting out at a very familiar place if you've ever watched my videos. It's called the Market. The 9W Market specifically. Left my Beyond Riders gear right here, check it out. So in today's video, it's another edition, episode 2 of Fly and Ride Moto Destinations. And we're starting here the 9W Market. Check out the bikes. I got Steve and Sammy here joining with me. Strictly a Ducati day. And we're going to take you to a bunch of different spots and Moto Destinations. I got the Beast right here, Viper. Beautiful day out, mid-October. My favorite time of the year. You can see the leaves are starting to change. So so this is the first of the Moto Destinations, and then we're going to take you to a few other favorite destinations. And then as we go through them, I'll talk about them, tell you how you can get there. Check out the cool bikes right there. So these are both 2025. This is the Multistradas. They got the nice trunks in the back. I like those a lot better than what I have. So a little bit about the 9W Market. Look, if you've seen any of my videos, I've done lots of videos before. Check out the video library. But this is first Sunday of every month. It's bikes and breakfast. But as you can see, today is not the first Sunday. It's mid-October, and it's full of bikes. And this gets pretty packed. Day, evenings, weekends. It's really an awesome spot. And it's a great spot to check out bikes, hang out. He's got the new grips. Yep. Nice. That's new too. I didn't see that. No, it's kind of cool. First time, believe it or not, it's the first time I ride the 3 Ducatis together like this. And like I was saying before, it's my favorite time of the year. It's not peak foliage yet up here. And again, it's mid-October. The rear box that Steve has much nicer than mine. I'm gonna have to switch it out. It's slicker looking. That is backed up. I gotta make sure I don't come this way on the way back. So I've got the drone with me, and I'm gonna launch it and show you some of these other Moto Destination spots from the air. Give you a nice aerial view. If you like this content, hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that bell notification. Man, look at them skinny tires. Sammy's got the same exhaust system that I have on this one. That's why that sounds so nice. This time of the year, everybody comes up here to check out the foliage, obviously. So everybody's got the same idea. It's raining leaves. Nice roads, baby. This is what it's all about. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this view. Beautiful. Second destination, Seven Lakes Drive by Bear Mountain, or just in general, the Bear Mountain area. Man, I just love coming up here, especially this time of the year. I mean, look at this road. You got lakes everywhere, bunch of bikes, bunch of trails inside for hiking, mountain biking. They have camping spots up here as well. So, in this MotoDestination series, video number 2, we've got a second destination. You got a bonus video today. So we're just going to go around the area here. I'm going to show you different spots. But again, once you get to the Seven Lakes Drive or Seven Lakes area or Bear Mountain area, man, let me tell you, this is your playground. A lot of roads to explore. We're going to get Lake, I think it's called Lake Torati, coming up here on the left-hand side. Oh, they're doing a little recording on the 360 camera up there. Lake Torati, T-I-O-R-A-T-I. Little spot right here. Let's do it. Damn. Beautiful view. Nice. Ooh, yeah. Got all the bikes. Beautiful, look at this. Man, that's a big party over there. See, the colors up here are almost at peak. I love coming up here. Someone got pulled over there. I don't know if you noticed, but the guys over here warned us. Awfully nice of them. We're gonna pull over here to a nice little spot right here. You're gonna see it here in a second. Look at this. Oh my God, this is just perfect. Precisely what I was looking for today. Parking full. Now for motorcycles it isn't. Yeah, check out the cool dudes. Cool bikes. Look at that view, man. Doesn't get any better than that. All right, we're gonna take a little break here. I'm gonna take some pics, and then I'm gonna show you this other cool road coming up here in a second. Took some nice pictures. You got everybody here checking out the bikes. Check out this crew right here. Look at all these cool bikes. Looks really cool. We're gonna go check out this nice road up here. Ready? Absolutely beautiful day out. A bunch of people out here riding. Oh, cool. Just popped a wheelie right there for us. So we're gonna go to a nice pizza spot that Steve just talked about. But I'm gonna show you this nice freaking road back here. Hilly, bunch of twisties. I mean, just look at that. You got a bunch of Nissan Z's right up there. Here we go. Look at this beautiful road. That's a big log you're holding there, lady. Ooh, I smell firewood. Love that smell. Guys are on the freaking road, man. Look at this turn. Oh, man. Got some cars up there. Oh, we got an officer up there. Stevie's got a nice pizza spot we're going to check out here. So we can call it MotoDestination number 3 today, all in one video. Oh, here we go. Marina Restaurant Pizza. Nice. All right, man. This is my kind of spot right here. Marina's Restaurant and Pizza. Let's go in there and check it out and see how good this place is. Man, look at that. Whew. That looks good. All right, we're gonna test out and see how good this spot is. Let me tell you, that looks good. You know how you can tell it's good when that grease is like that there?
Oh yeah. No, this is a great pizzeria.
You got a little margarita there, Sammy, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, big slice. That's like two
That's,
slices.
yeah, that's like 2 slices. All right, enjoy, boys. The Ducati boys in action. Look at that. Oh, yeah. All right, so my review, Marina Restaurant Pizza. What town is this, you know? Monroe. I'll tell you, it's really good. Perfect spot. Great riding right around here. Stevie, thanks for lunch. Ducati boys, look at this. Look at this, man. This is it right here. Best bikes in the universe. Hands down. The real baggers. I wanted to eat some BMW 1600s for lunch, but I didn't see any today. Thanks for watching.